Hello friends, I'm Bardia. In this video I'm gonna show you how to crack compressed files like zip or RAR files. It's not a complicated process and it has just two steps. I have a file called cutekoala.zip here and it's located in root downloads. The first step is creating a hash file for cutekoala.zip. I use zip2john for this purpose. First we call cutekoala.zip and then we specify the location that we want the hash file to be stored in. hash-koala.txt, and you see that this file is for cutekoala.zip, and this is the hash file. I open it so you can see the hash file for cutekoala. Hash is a cryptography method that converts any form of data to strings, to unique string. Now we use John The Ripper _ format equals zip or whatever the format is, and we call the hash file. Now John the Ripper is trying to crack the password. It may take some few seconds or some weeks. It depends on the complexity of the password, and there it is. The password is cracked. It's shown 125145 and it just took 13 seconds. Now I open the file cutekoala.zip with the password that John the Ripper gave us, so we can be sure that John the Ripper works well. Here it is, the cute koala. Thank you for watching.